Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can download the most updated motherboard driver for your Asrock motherboard. So first thing, you just need that the model name of your motherboard. So you must need to know about the model name of your motherboard that you are currently using on your PC, and you want to download the driver or the most updated driver for your motherboard. So for that, you have to just, after if you know the name of your motherboard or the model name, then you have to do is you have to search for www.asrock.com/index.asp, and you can find this web page where you can find the support option at the top H of the header. So you can simply click on support here, and after clicking on support you can find technical support here. Now hover over the technical support and you can find latest driver update. So you have to simply click on it, and from here you can find different types of model here with their updated driver that included here. And you can find the most updated date from here, just like this. Or you can do is you can find the latest, and you have to simply click on this download button, or you can simply use your keyboard like Ctrl+F, and you can search for your keyboard or your motherboard name, for example B860, and here you can find this model here, and I want this Pro RS, so here it is. Now here you can find the download button. You have to simply click on download, and it will automatically download this updated driver. Then you have to install this driver easily. You can set up it by simply click on that, and it will automatically install and set up for that. You have to follow the prompted instruction on your screen for this driver. Or otherwise you can do is, for example, your motherboard is this one, so you can simply search for this motherboard drivers. Simply click on it, and from here you can find the motherboard here, and you have to wait until it loads. So here it is. Now from here you can find the details of your motherboard, and you can get the details, and from here you can find the latest driver update also from here. So that's how you can just find the most updated and available driver updates right now that you can download for it. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.